Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and learning a lot from my tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about the API. Specifically, we are going to fetch the data from the API. We'll list the data in the grid format, okay, and we'll open its detail page dynamically using custom Elementor template. Okay, now how we can do this? So we will simply use the custom plugin which will handle the creating the shortcodes, okay, connecting the ACF to the ACF fields, okay, and fetching the APIs. Let me show you the flowchart how it works. Okay, so basically we have the API. It could be any API like any free API which we will will provide an endpoint. Okay, using the endpoint you can scrap the data. So in this case I have created one demo API. I'll show you. Okay, then we have one custom plugin. As I have explained this, what the purpose of this plugin. The purpose of the plugin is that we'll fetch every data first, okay, in this case, and we'll create a grid or the list. As you can see here, we will get the product 1 cart UI, product 2 cart UI, and product 3 and product 4. As since we are creating the detail page, so obviously we will have one card. So by clicking this card, this particular will open the detail page. Okay, the main thing is that the passing the data of every list item to a dynamically using the custom Elementor template. Okay, then after the fetching data, it will process again through the custom plugin and will get the shortcodes. Okay, the shortcuts of for the every field, like suppose that this is the product 1, we have the title, the price, the description, and other data. So this plugin will create shortcut for every field. Okay, and using the shortcuts we can fetch the data anywhere. Now after that we have to create the ACF fields. For this, product details like title, price, description, etc. should be matched with the product details. Okay, after creating the ACF fields, we have to create the custom Elementor template. We just connect the ACF fields with the custom element template. We have to do in the same way. Here we have added the one custom plugin which will change the working of this ACF fields. Okay, after creating the template and connecting pointing every ACF fields with the template, we will have this type of UI. Okay, where we will get detail page, image, price, description, specification, and other details. Finally we have this product title. So this will we will get this product detail after clicking this product card UI. Okay, this product card UI. Now let me show you the practically how it works. So this is the UI elements of the 4 products. Okay, and this product have been fetched from the API. So let me introduce the API first. Currently we have the endpoint of the API is product.api.php because I have created a custom API endpoint as a .php. So when we put .php just beside its domain name, we will have the API data in the JSON format. Okay, this data is basically inside this PHP file. From creating using the custom plugin, we can directly fetch the data, and here you will see the title, the price. Okay, every product have different titles and prices and other details, and the data is shown here in this format so that we can interact with every element. Now click on the first image. I hope you understand. Okay, so I hope you understand the working of this API, and the connection between the API, ACF and Elementor template. Okay, now let's open this card. When as soon as I click on the card, it will open the detail page. Now we have the title, the price, description and other specifications. As I told recently, we have shortcuts for every fields, shortcut for title, shortcut for price, shortcut for description and shortcut for every these fields. We will put this shortcut inside the custom template, and that's it. Okay, we have to create a custom page template. We have to put the ID like here, API to Elementor. We have to put the detailed page ID, and also we have to put the Elementor's template ID, so that the plugin will automatically process every connections. Now we have the price is $99. Okay, now let me go back, and here when I open, we show $129 price, title also change, and you can see other specifications. If you don't believe it's not the custom template, here we have edit with Elementor. Open this and let me show you the shortcuts I have put on in every. Here we have shortcut the title, shortcut for the price and shortcut for the descriptions. In the similar way, we have shortcut for all the things except these two buttons. Later you can implement it. Okay, so I hope you don't have the confusion still here. Okay, only the things we are doing to implement in this tutorial, so it will be interesting and will be knowledgeable or informative. Okay, so please stick and watch this tutorial till then, okay, to understand it better. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are inside our WordPress dashboard. Now in this tutorial there is no need to install any plugin or any extra themes, okay, because we are going to add and functionalities like integration of an API into our WordPress and fetching the data dynamically using the custom Elementor template. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning, we will be using an API in this tutorial, so obviously we need to create that API. So let's start by creating an API using PHP. First of all, you have to enter inside your cPanel, okay, and just locate the file manager, open this file manager, and inside your domains directory. So in this case my directory is dynamic. Okay, now I am in the root directory of this domain. Inside this file we are going to add a new data in JSON format similar to the previous file, okay, as I mentioned. So we'll create a file, click on this plus file and write the file name as a product dash api.php. okay, create new file. Now open this file in the editor mode. So here I will copy the data from the previous file. Let me open that file. So this is the product data inside the JSON format. Okay, so I will simply copy the file, just select all and press copy, and I will place inside this new PHP file. Alright, so here basically I am going to update some data like these images, so that you will notice some changes that really this API is fetching data dynamically. Okay, otherwise there is no way to see those changes. Okay, so simply you can see here I have copied the files from the pixabay.com. okay, So this time I will use different images. So let's go to pixabay.com and make sure you are providing the direct downloading file or direct .jpg, png or whatever. Okay, if you provide any encrypted file, then it will not work. So these images products are basically the headphones, so I will search for the headphones. Here you will get direct links. Click on it and just right click, and here you can see copy image address and paste. Let me just delete or close this tab to avoid the confusions. Okay, and we'll paste here. Okay, I will keep title and other features as it is. We'll simply update these photos. Let's add another okay, this. I'm doing this as an example. Okay, if you are working on the real-time project, then please make it careful. Okay, and I will use this. And finally I will use fourth image for the fourth product. Paste here. Okay, now we have added the new data inside our API. So this was the steps that we have done here. Okay, we'll click on the save changes and we'll test this the response of this JSON, the response of this API. So how do we do that? We can simply do here, click on view site and type here product-api.php, and you will see we have the response as a JSON format. It means that all the products, or it means that our API is working fine. Okay, now close this. So we just save these changes and we'll close it or keep it this tab open. Okay, now I will install the plugin which is ACF, which is the most important part of this tutorial. Okay, or you can say functionality. So let's install the ACF plugin. Click on add new plugin, and here as you can type the ACF or ACF whatever. I will install this secure custom field. Click on activate. Okay, now go to ACF. So here is a very important points to remember. All the data fields, let me open this. All the data fields you see in this API, like title, price, description, this noise cancellation, image, specification. Under it you will see some extra fields, sound, noise. Okay, these all data must exactly match with the ACF's field value. If they don't match, this system won't work properly. Okay, so let's do that. There is no need to fear, it's very easy task. Okay, I'll show you. So we are inside this ACF. Go to add new, click on add new. The first field you can see is a title. So the title is basically text. Okay, so I will simply type title and field name. So field name will be title and match exactly with this API. Okay, in the same way we have to create for all our API data. Okay. The second is a price. Here I will give the field group name as custom API details. And the price is also the static. Okay, it's number, but I will keep it as a text. Field name also. Alright, sorry, I was just overriding the previous one, so it's price. Here price, sorry, title. You can say the field level whatever, like uppercase or lowercase, but make sure this field name is exactly matching. Okay, create new, which is price. The third is description, which is text. So here I will use text area. So basically we don't have to put any data inside these fields, because this will be automatically processed by our custom plugin using only this dynamic data. Okay, next we have to add noise cancellation. It's a text types. Next we have image. After description, okay, add image. So image is a, we have to set here image. Okay, image. Next we have under the specification sound. Okay, so sound, noise cancellation, battery, connectivity and warranty. Okay, sound, field name will be sound. Next we have noise cancellation. By mistakenly I just created a field which is noise cancellation here, so no need to create again. So I will create for the battery. So it's also the type text, battery, connectivity and warranty. Connectivity, and finally we have warranty. Okay. Before proceeding further, please cross check for any spelling mistakes or any other things. Title, price, description, title, price, description, image. Here we have noise cancellation, image, sound, battery and connectivity. Here I got a mistake, connectivity, and finally we have warranty. Okay, warranty. Now this rule will be applied to the page, as we are creating a dynamic page instead of post. Okay, so click on save changes. That's it. Okay, so we just completed our this step. Now either we can install our custom plugin or we'll design our custom template. So simply I will first install the custom plugin, which will provide the shortcuts to show the grid of the products as well as the shortcut for this title, price, description, image, sound, noise, etc. Okay, so that using those shortcuts we can put inside our Elementor template using dynamic tags. Okay, then later we can create the custom template. Alright, so I'll go to plugin, click on add new plugin and upload plugin. Click on choose file, API to Elementor. So don't worry about this plugin, I will provide the download link in my website. Click on install now, click on activate plugin. Okay, now go to settings and we have this API to Elementor. So how does it work? First of all, we have some fields, detail page ID and Elementor template ID, so that the plugin will automatically recognize that page and the template to apply. Okay, so that's why we are required and mandatory to put the page ID here and the Elementor template ID as well. Okay, and here you will see some usage instructions like shortcut to show the products, okay, and other shortcuts as well, like API pro title, price, description on, etc. And here we have one option, debug information, to check if our API is working or not, or it's correctly connected with the plugin or not. Okay, because it's all about the API endpoint. If the API endpoint is not set properly inside the plugin, then it will show error or the API will not work properly. Okay, so I will check this first. So click on debug and that's it. But there is a problem with it. Okay, this data is showing from the previous endpoint that I have created while developing this plugin. Okay, so to correct this endpoint, click on site and here just bring your own API or new API endpoint. Okay, so the endpoint is this address will be your endpoint. Okay, now what you have to do, just explore your plugin, this custom plugin. Okay, under this file manager, open WP content. Under this plugin you will see here API Elementor integration. Okay, and from here under this plugin.php, click on edit. Just copy your endpoint from here. Now locate the endpoint. Okay, so it will be like fetch API. Here fetch data from API. You will see here the endpoint. Basically the endpoint was set from the previous domain, as you can see here. Just replace with your endpoint. So by the way, it's very confidential data, so it should not be in the backend direct, or it should not be placed directly inside the backend. Okay, so I will replace this API endpoint with our new website. So here is our domain or API, you can say. Copy this and paste here as it is. Okay, just paste here and click on save changes. Okay, now go to this dashboard and go to templates. Alright, we have to install the Elementor to create the custom template. So let's install that plugin. Click on install. And click on activate. Alright, okay, I just installed the Royal Elementor add-on by mistakenly, so search for Elementor. This is the Elementor, okay. Now go to plugins and add one more add-on plugin, which is Pro Elements. That's it. Now go to templates. Under this theme builder, we will start designing our custom template, which will be required to pass the data dynamically. Okay, so I will here we have single page. Click on add new. Okay, so from here you can build your own template, but this time I will put my own design template from the previous website. Okay, so I haven't installed the basic theme, which is OC and WP or the Astra. That's why it's looking the classic interface. So we don't want any modern design over here. Okay, we are simply understanding the concept and adding the functionality. So simply I will upload my own template. Under this my template, click on upload, select the local file, continue, enable and import. After few seconds it will be added inside this my templates. It will show a list here. Alright, so okay, here is our template. Now click on insert. Okay, I will change its styling first. I will remove every ACA fields. Go to style and okay, delete it. Here will be the price. This is the price. Delete this, and this is the description. Okay, you can design in your own way. This will be the text for the sound. This will be the text for the noise cancellation. This will be for the battery. This will be for Bluetooth, and this for the warranty. Okay, so here is our template. Okay, and note down, we have designed this using Elementor without any single code, and this is the image. Okay, we will also connect this by dynamically. Okay, now let's do some bindings with these fields. First we have the wireless Bluetooth headphone, which is title. So go to content and this dynamic tags. Under the ACF, select the field which is title. Okay, so currently it will not show here. When we will publish and we preview, then it will appear. Then go select this price. Accordingly set the price ACF field. Select the price. Okay, Similarly with this description, under this dynamic tag, go to SEO field and select description. Okay, that's it. Now we are inside the specifications. Now here, alright, okay, we just made a mistake here. We have to put the shortcuts, not the dynamic tags. Okay, so alright, under this we have to set for the shortcode, and the shortcode for the title is title. Okay, click on the setting icons and paste here. That's it. Similarly with this price, you can find these shortcuts under the settings and API to Elementor plugin. It will come with this. Okay, so here we have product price, and put the shortcut for this price. Okay, similar with description, API product description. Okay, that's it. Now these are some basic specifications, so click on it, and under this shortcut, okay, we just have to add shortcut for the image. So let's add the image shortcut first. Here I will read this. Okay, I will use the shortcut image and paste the image for the shortcut, and paste here shortcut for the image. Okay, and under this shortcut we have API product spec field sound. Now clearly observe here, the field is sound and the label is sound. Okay, it means that it will show the data of sound details. I hope you understand. Okay, similarly with the noise cancellation, so what would be the shortcut for this field? The shortcut would be here under this API we have this noise cancellation as a field value. Okay, and the label, so currently we don't want to show any label. Okay, so I will simply remove it. Only we have to text field noise cancellation. Okay, similarly we we forgot to remove this field label. Okay, that's it. Now for this battery, so what is shortcut? Shortcut will be same, just change the extra fields from the shortcuts. Okay, the third one is battery, and we know the field value is battery, and remove this label. Just copy this, and the next is Bluetooth. Here is not the Bluetooth, we have connectivity. Okay, copy this shortcut, and finally we have warranty. So paste here and change connectivity to warranty. That's it. So we made all connections with our fields. Okay, now click on publish. Here pages will be all pages. Save and close. Okay, the next step, we have to create a page. Basically we need two IDs, one for Elementor and the second of the detail page ID. Okay, so click on add new page, and I will name it as a custom template. Template will be okay. Click on publish. That's it. Now look, just mark or copy the Elementor template ID. So go to Elementor templates and save templates. Here the template ID is 88, so put the template ID 88. Now go to pages and ID of the pages. How you will get the ID of this page? So it's very simple. Just hover this edit. Either you open this or just check the left bottom corner where the address is showing, like first equals to 91. Okay, so paste here 91. Alright, click on save changes. So the settings are saved. Now let's move on to the next step. First we have to show some products on our home page as a grid. Okay, so for that I will create one more page which is home, where we are going to paste our next shortcode, which is grid. Okay, click on edit with Elementor. It's saying that your template don't have content, so this may happens rare. If it shows this some error, if the same error may occur at your site, simply add post content. Okay, click on publish. Now check if the error goes. Now check if the error gone or not. Set the page layout to Elementor full width. That's it. Now search for the shortcode widget and just locate the settings of this plugin. Here you will see the plugin for product grid, where it will show 4 products. Alright, so after putting this shortcut, okay, in few minutes I got this data, but this data were from the previous old website. Okay, and I found the solution for this, or you can say I just got about this error. So the error is simple. Just locate your plugin.php, which is plugin file, and so this is the old endpoint. Okay, this is from the old domain. As you can see, our domain is different and here the domain is different. So in this case we will replace this old domain with our new endpoint. So let's find our endpoint, open, and then product api.php. okay, and we'll replace this. First of all, let's find its occurrences in this file. So for that I will just copy this, press Ctrl F, and here you will see search and paste here. Now you will see there are 2 occurrences for this endpoints. Okay, we will replace all of these. So copy the endpoint and here click on plus icon and replace all. Okay, Okay, let's replace on one line, let's replace all. Okay, now the endpoint has been changed, as you can see here. Okay, close this, click on the save changes. Alright, so we have done all the process from start to end. Now let's have a preview. Currently you will see this grid file. Okay, this is basically from the previous one, and let me show you how I added this type of UI. Or to show this grid, I have already explained at the beginning. We have we have a shortcut which is product grid columns. Okay, so select here I have paste. Let me show you. If I cut this, it will go, and when I paste here, it will appear. Click on publish. As you can see, our images have been changed, okay, or updated. We will see it on home page. Images have been updated. Okay, now let's click on any one product to check if the detail page opens correctly. Okay, so I will open this. Alright, so the detail page has loaded successfully, and all the details from the API are now reflected here. As you can see, we have title, price, description, and some other specifications. Okay, let's check the another product. This is $149. Let's click on it, and you will see the title has been updated, price as well, the description, and the specification as well. Okay, so this was about the fetching of an API data through the custom plugin using HCF and the Elementor Custom Template. The benefit of doing this is that first of all, you can just design your home single product page from here, as you can see. Okay, so I will keep this as it is for now, because I hope you understand the concept and working of this plugin. Okay, the main benefit of using or doing this method is that it will save a lot of time creating the custom coding template using the PHP inside the PHP file. Okay, so it will save you a lot of time. Okay, this is practically possible, and maybe you can fix this plugin in various ways, or you can improve the plugin by doing some customization inside it. Okay, so we have successfully created a dynamic code listing and detail page using the WordPress, HCF, Elementor, and custom API. Alright, and so let me just end this tutorial. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress and web development guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Okay, so keep experimenting, keep learning, and happy code. Thank you.